I'm in Taipei, Taiwan. Legalize the same-sex marriage. I won a prize. It is the first time I ever come to Taipei and I've been wanting to check it out. This time I'm staying in Ximending, which is also the most popular area here in Taipei. If you come here for the first time, I would highly recommend to stay in this area because they have everything that you can explore. It's not too far from all of the tourist attractions, and they have the walking street. It's good for shopping, and then they have ton selection for food. By the way, I want to share something that is useful. If you guys are coming to Taiwan, you should do the lucky draw. Basically, as a tourist, you can kind of register to get a free money that you can use here in Taiwan. I tried at the airport, but you do have to register at least a day before you arrive in Taiwan. And guess what? I won 5,000 Taiwanese dollar. So basically, you'll get a card like this that you can use for like all type of transportation. You can also use it at a convenience store, and I heard you can even pay for food at a restaurant with it. Right, here we are at the Ximending walking street. So far Taiwan really gives me a mix of like Japan and also China. You see a lot of familiar stores that you can find in Japan. Like they have ABC Mart. I'm surprised that you're allowed to drive car and bike inside because this is a walking street. It's actually really good. The milk is really fresh. And what's so funny is they use the dinosaur hat to like melt the brown sugar on top. I definitely feel the difference in the quality compared to their store in other countries because I tried it in China, and surprisingly this one is better. Like it's more fresh. The boba is like so soft. It's like not too chewy. So try it out. They have labubu. Is this labubu? Like I just know it's very popular. Is it labubu? A lot of girls like it and put it on their bags. And I have it in a claw machine here. So I ordered a small beef noodle, and look at this. Wow. This is a small portion. I look super tired. You can taste that it's actually homemade. That noodle was actually really good. The portion was huge, even though we're ordering the small portion. So I want to keep that in mind. And the entire meal only cost 290 Taiwanese dollar. It was actually pretty nice to walk around the Ximending walking street. Aside of like some cars or like bikes that's driving in the alley, it was actually pretty breezy to walk around. It's not too packed yet. I heard it's gonna get busier during the night because of the street food market, but we're gonna go to another night market, and now we're just gonna walk to the Rainbow Six. So we got to the Rainbow Six. It's just right in front of H&M. So that is the iconic Rainbow Six. And fun fact, Taiwan is actually it's actually the first country in Asia that actually legalized the same-sex marriage. So they have this sign here. I'm gonna quickly check out the Red House Theater. So it's also like one of the iconic landmarks here in Taipei, and it's just right across Ximending. I heard this building is built by a Japanese architecture, so yeah, I think there's a lot of like Japanese influence in Taipei. So they're selling souvenirs and stuff inside. They actually have some cute souvenirs inside that like Xiaolongbao, the soup dumpling candle. Super cute. I'm so tempted to get one. So for getting around here in Taipei, you can use Google Maps. It's pretty accurate, and they also have a lot of different type of public transportation. Now we're gonna try and take the bus. So we're at the bus stop right now, and if you stay in Ximending, there's actually like this one stop that has a lot of bus coming through, so it's pretty convenient. And this is the easy part that you can use for transportation. You just need to tap it on the bus. Passing through the locals' house. It's so interesting. The houses in this alley still look very old and traditional. And most of people are doing laundry business. We are in Ningxia night market, and when you walk here, I can kind of smell a very distinctive smell. It's the smelly tofu or chow tofu. Yeah, I actually tried that in China before and it wasn't bad. So we're gonna try and find that. But it's really nice because they have a lot of different selections and the street is not too packed. Oh, yeah. Got the first food here. It's a ice cream roll, but it puts cilantro, which is very unique. So we're gonna try that. It actually doesn't taste weird at all. So I kind of like wrap it like a burrito, so you can eat it like this. Highly recommend. This market is so interesting. They have a lot of like unique foods that I've never seen in a night market before. So we got our stinky tofu. I'm not sure the first taste. It is crispy. Getting the cabbage out. Honestly, it tastes worse than I remember. But I think it's just because I'm not used to it anymore. I heard like the more you eat it, the more it tastes good. So. Good morning from a rainy Taipei. It has been raining non-stop since last night. So we're actually gonna head out to get breakfast because the hotel gives us like a voucher that you can use to go to Moss Burger, or they have this cafe called Louisa Cafe, which I heard is like the Starbucks of Taiwan. So I'm excited to check it out. Oh yeah, also I'm staying at the Orange Hotel, which is this one in Ximending, and I highly recommend this hotel because of the location. It is so accessible. Like we have the bus stop right in front of us, so if you need to take any public transportation, the train station is also like very close, and it's only like 3 minutes away from Ximending Walking Street. just came out here to record this because there's a lot of people studying and also working inside, so I don't want to disturb anybody. But yeah, the barista coffee is actually really good. I ordered a latte and it tastes pretty good. So it does have a Starbucks ambience. But that's it for the first 24 hours here in Taipei. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you've been enjoying this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!